Good morning, guys. I'll show you how to the easiest way to remove this door handle of Range Rover 2010 without removing this panel, without removing the panel. Okay, just using this flat screwdriver, tweak it over here, the bottom, and I'll show you this thing here. I'm talking these two clips over here, and when you tweak it like this, and using this WD-40, lubricate inside this area over here and here and over here. Yeah, and then after 1 minute, it's ready to remove this handle. Just push it like this. Hold here, hold here, and just push. There we go. See, I'll put it back again just to check it, and there you go. There you go. Now it's ready to put it back this on. As easy as that. Sweet.